in Morocco today. I'm on a trip to eat as much Moroccan cuisine as possible. So on this trip, we're gonna have a feast, like literally a feast, from the finest food to the most desired food of the Moroccans. So guys, follow me in this beautiful land that we're in. Let's go. Oh, check that out. So we're starting with this. Well, thanks for hearing. No. Look at that fat. Nice fat. Yeah. If one of you guys could even have a drip of a taste of this, you understand exactly where I'm coming from. This is nice. This is what I love about traveling. You could go to a place as run down as this, and their food tastes so delicious.
One
wait.
One high.
Woo! Friend. Merci. The way these people are so creative with their food. That's nice. That is so nice. Oh my god. Now I'm thirsty. I need to look for a fresh, like super fresh squeezed fruit to have. I'm on a search for that. I'm on a search to rejuvenate my body and soul. Let's get it, man. This is what I travel for. To eat, drink, and sleep, and repeat. See, this guy's gonna make me something special right there. Yeah. All those rubbish food I've been eating in London for the past few months, I'm trying to wash everything out. See me? Let's get it. Wow. Wow. I can feel it. I can feel it. Can you feel it? I can feel it. Well, you can. But I can feel it. I needed that. That was what I've been calling for. Thanks to Allah. I didn't eat today. I didn't eat tired today.
Fish, calamari, sweet pepper.
Sweet.
Olives, yeah. This is shrimp.
I'm gonna go with. Oh! Come on, that's delicious. That squid is really squidding in my mouth. My friend, what fish is this?
A lot.
Sorry? A lot. My mouth is cooking.
You like it?
Oh,
Okay, that's nice.
I love it. And I'm gonna kill this. When I'm done, you guys are gonna see. Your boy, woo! Your boy killed it.
Number 19.
Number 19.
Hello.
Here. That's very nice, man. The seafood is so fresh. Once you put it in your mouth, you're gonna taste the sea, man. Oh. Good morning. Good morning. It's a long day yesterday. A lot to eat. Too much. But anyway, time to get the day started. It's gonna be a very interesting day. No one knows what God has got in store, but time shall reveal. Time to eat. Was not impressed by the breakfast.
Welcome to Marrakesh, baby.
Scared of nothing. All right, let's go.
That was good. Put out some sugar cane, some lemon.
Merci.
Oh. It doesn't get any fresher than that. I'm gonna try.
You're gonna try, yeah. Try and after.
It doesn't look.
Yeah.
You get that a bit shell in your mouth, but it is actually nice. But that's probably gonna be my last time having it. That's very nice. This burger was one of the nicest burger I've ever had. The onions, the tomatoes, the herbs, with the chicken, everything just perfectly went together, man. That's delicious. That is super nice. Gonna start with the bread. Cool.
Sahar.
Time for the main course. This lamb just splashes all over my mouth. I'm gonna eat this for the beef. I'm gonna try to remember what to talk about when I'm done. So now, au revoir.
Cheers.
Wait.
Santé.
Wait. Cheers. Woo. Oh, my life is good, man.
Life is good.
Escaping London and just walking these narrow roads, eating so much variety of foods is so refreshing, man. Like truly indeed. It's like 12 o'clock and I'm out drinking Moroccan tea. Good morning, good morning. Time for some nice breakfast. Wait. Eating time once again. Idris and is eating. Time to go for a quick walk with family. And yeah, let's see what we can have for breakfast. So breakfast time. We're having our beautiful breakfast here today. Zinto Cafe with family and friends. Hey.
C'est bon, hein, Idriss?
Ouais.
Good.
Oh,
Moi, j'aime trop ça.
it's beautiful.
Ça, c'est vraiment une spécialité marocaine. T'as goûté, Lina?
Mm.
Ah, Frida ne veut pas manger de viande, elle.
Boom. Going for a walk.